We're here in Rockland County at Derico Donuts, a small spot on Toppin Road where I'm hearing they got a killer cannoli donut that I'm dying to try. Let's go eat. Definitely good for the season.
The bread of the donut is pretty good. The fruity pebbles are pretty good. The donut and all is good.
Take a bite. Then stop. What I love about the cannoli donut is how all the flavors are hitting you at one time. You get in the texture of the donut, which got that cakey feel to it. Then you get in the cannoli custard with the chocolate chips. Then the drizzle of the chocolate on top of the donut, along with the powdered sugar. I ain't gonna lie, it's like borderline addictive and real good. Nothing like that. I ate about half a dozen that day. Don't tell nobody though. As long as you got some aqua, it's all good. If you love this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.